Welcome back to Introduction to Statistics. In this module, we look at the purpose of statistics and the ways in which we utilize statistics for social investigation. So why do we need statistics? In everyday life, we make decisions about different things with our best interest in mind. Say we may decide to embark on a new venture, but we would also like to be successful in this venture. Now, there are many options we can choose, but we gain knowledge of the best, most beneficial option via investigation. This gives us the chances or probabilities of success for each option. Statistics help generate that knowledge of what's in our best interest. Supposing we wish to open a business and we want to check how many potential customers exist in that area. Statistics can help in planning for business. Many leaders use statistics to inform them where resources are needed. Personal and financial decision making can benefit from the information acquired via statistics. There is a process by which we implement statistical evaluation. First, we gather the data, then we evaluate the data. After its analysis, so we analyze the data. Then we reach a conclusion on findings. We will discuss each activity in detail next. Gathering data. Data can be gathered from many places. Data can be gathered from your personal files. Every day, we generate data through our transactions, interactions, and general events in our lives. Simply logging onto our social media account generates data. Data can be gathered from the social environment, formally or informally. Formally through agents, and informally by simply asking a question. Organizations like the hospitals, clinics, police, etc. keep record of daily functions which generate data. Data brokers sell information on whole populations. These can be in large databases. Even non-numeric information are considered viable sources of data. So once we gather data, we can evaluate it. Evaluating data. Data must be evaluated. Data is evaluated mainly to determine its usefulness. You would not use data that is flawed or considered garbage. So data must be from credible sources. We also need reliable data. The data must be reliable. Truth is the researcher's most important expectation. Relevance ensures utility of the data as it speaks to prevailing issues. So we must have data that is relevant to what we are targeting. And even though data meets all the requirements above, meaning that it is credible, it is reliable, and it is relevant, it cannot be used or be of any use without permissions. So ensure there is legal right to the data. Then it can be considered useful. Analyzing data. To analyze data requires skill, resources. It must also meet a statistical criteria for parametric or non-parametric analyses, exploration, and testing of inferences. If you need help, ask for help in data analysis. Make good use of good data by getting the best help if you have to. Adequate resources bring efficiency to life. Secure the relevant resources to embark on this task. Vetting the data is important to ensure it meets statistical criteria for specific statistical testing. Exploring data allows us to describe it, and when we test our inferences, it gives us answers to our query. Reaching conclusions involve analysis where there are results, and it is these results that help determine our decision making. In conclusion, we need statistics to help in decision making, which abounds to our best interests. Personal, financial, and social aspects of living can benefit from the use of statistics. To do so, we gather, evaluate, and analyze data to reach conclusions that inform decisions.